Hi friends, and welcome to day 6 of introductions. Today we are introducing Yuletide greetings. This set contains 6 different sentiments in a hand lettering font. We have "We wish you a Merry Christmas," "Just a little gift," Yuletide greetings, "Our friendship is the star on top of my Christmas tree," "Spread joy," and "Thank you for the gift." Today we are also introducing Postage grid cover. This grid cover die cuts a grid of 9 different stamps. As you can see, it fully cuts out the 9 insides of the stamps. So you can take out those inside pieces and decorate them however you want to. But of course you can also use a cover piece if you want to include a larger sentiment, or you can cut the stamps individually to use them on a card that way. I'm making an A2 sized card and I use a piece of patterned paper for the back. Over top I'm using the Postage grid cover and I decorated some of the inside pieces. I have these sweet little gingerbread men. I have my cover piece with the sentiment from the Yuletide greetings, and the large bow I'm using is from the Wreath Shaker Creative Cuts. I'm using regular sellotape to put the insides back together inside the Postage grid die. Afterwards, I'm popping it up with some foam tape and gluing it to the back. Now it's time to create the scene. And that beautiful bow really finishes the card. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize from Mama Elephant. This release is available from the 15th of September, and I'll see you tomorrow for more introductions. Bye!